So I'm doing a review on my inner tie rod tool. I've been asked on a few videos, and also some people have messaged me asking what tool I use. It's actually pretty easily found by just doing a Google search, but I figure I'll go ahead and do a review on it. That way, you know, if you guys want to, you're more than welcome to check it out. Anyway, it's a pretty simple tool. This is it right here. This is my go-to inner tie rod tool. This is the first one I grab every time. There are other tools available, but this one is so universal and really easy to use that it's seriously the first one I grab every time. Usually does the trick. I'd say 98% of the time it'll do it on every one that I've come across so far. So here's a little review on it, and I hope this helps answer your question. And I'll go ahead and put a link in my description. I am with Amazon Associates now, so some of you suggested that, and it was something that I decided to go ahead and do. So I'll get a link in the description if you guys want to check it out. But other than that, it's this little guy right here.